Most people drink coffee to wake up. But what if the real energy booster was something cheaper, simpler, and way more powerful? Just warm water, lemon, and a spoon of chia seeds. In this video, I'll show you exactly what happens to your body day by day when you drink this simple mix every morning for 14 days. And by the end, you'll understand why this ancient combination is one of the most underrated health secrets in the world. Within the first 3 days, your digestive system begins to change. Lemon triggers bile production, helping your liver flush out toxins naturally. Chia seeds, soaked in warm water, form a gel-like fiber that cleans your intestines, pushing out waste you didn't even know was there. By day 2, you might notice lighter bloating and smoother digestion. Science calls this the mucilaginous effect, basically. Chia acts like a broom inside your gut, sweeping everything that doesn't belong. By the end of week 1, most people feel more awake not because of caffeine, but because of improved metabolism. The combination of vitamin C from lemon and omega-3s from chia helps your cells produce more energy naturally. One study from the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism showed that people who drank lemon water before meals had higher fat oxidation, meaning your body starts using stored fat as fuel. Around day 8, your skin will start to clear up. Lemon water supports collagen production, while chia provides zinc and antioxidants that fight inflammation. Better hydration means better blood circulation, especially noticeable in your face and hands. You might even notice a more even skin tone. Plus, the vitamin C it contains strengthens your immune system, reducing your risk of getting sick easily. As you enter the second week, the most powerful change begins: fat burning. Consistent hydration and fiber intake train your body to regulate blood sugar levels better. That means fewer cravings, less midnight hunger, and more stable energy throughout the day. Your liver becomes more efficient at metabolizing fat, and your waistline may start to feel tighter. This isn't magic. It's simply your body working the way it's supposed to. Chia seeds are 40% fiber, which slows down digestion and keeps you full longer. Lemon water contains citric acid, which helps dissolve kidney stones and supports enzyme activity in your stomach. Together, they form a synergistic combo: hydration, minerals, and antioxidants, all working to rebalance your metabolism naturally. So, if you want a stronger metabolism, clearer skin, and better digestion, skip the detox pills. Drink 1 glass of lemon water with chia seeds every morning for 2 weeks and let nature do the work. Remember, if nature didn't make it, don't take it. Thanks for watching, and if you're serious about natural health science, hit that subscribe button and share this with someone who needs a reset.